If you're considering upgrading your windows and doors in Salt Lake City, you're making a smart investment. Not only will this enhance your home's curb appeal, but it will also improve energy efficiency, increase comfort, and potentially raise the value of your property. However, for homeowners, understanding what to expect during the installation process is key to ensuring everything goes smoothly. Initial preparation and pre-installation steps. Before the installation day arrives, your contractor will guide you through several preparatory steps. These may include inspection and measurements. A professional will visit your home to measure the existing openings and evaluate the condition of your current windows and doors. Precise measurements are crucial to ensure the new units fit perfectly. Product selection. Based on your preferences and budget, you'll choose materials, styles, and features for your windows and doors. Whether you want modern, energy-efficient windows or stylish doors that make a statement, you'll find options tailored to your Salt Lake home. Scheduling. Once the products are ready for installation, a convenient date will be scheduled. Keep in mind that installation can vary in length depending on the scope of the project, ranging from a single day for a few windows to several days for a full house replacement. What happens on installation day? On the day of the installation, professionals will arrive with tools, equipment, and your new windows and doors. Here's a breakdown of what to expect. Arrival and setup. The installation team typically starts early in the day. They will review the project plan with you to confirm details and answer any last-minute questions. Protective coverings, such as drop cloths, will be laid down to safeguard your floors and furniture. This preparation minimizes mess and prevents damage to your property. Removal of old windows and doors. The crew will carefully remove your existing windows and doors. This step may involve dismantling trim or frames and addressing any hidden damage like rotting wood or structural weaknesses. Any issues discovered will be discussed with you before proceeding. Installation of new units. Once the openings are prepped, the new windows and doors are installed. This process includes aligning, securing, and sealing the units to ensure optimal performance. Proper sealing is critical in Salt Lake's climate, where seasonal temperature swings can impact energy efficiency. Finishing touches. The team will reinstall trim, apply caulking around edges for insulation, and clean the area to remove debris. They'll also test the functionality of the windows and doors, ensuring smooth operation and proper locking mechanisms. What you can do to prepare to streamline the process and protect your belongings. Consider these preparation tips. Clear the area. Remove furniture, curtains, blinds, or decorations near the windows and doors being replaced. Provide a clear pathway for installers to carry tools and materials. Secure pets and children. Keep pets and kids in a safe area to prevent accidents and disruptions during the installation. Discuss access. Ensure the crew has access to the necessary rooms and outdoor spaces. If specific areas are off limits, communicate this in advance. Post-installation inspection and maintenance tips. After the installation is complete, the team will conduct a walkthrough with you. They'll review the work, demonstrate how to operate and maintain your new windows and doors, and answer any questions. Energy efficiency and comfort. You'll notice a difference in how well your new installations insulate your home. Modern windows and doors are designed to reduce drafts, enhance insulation, and lower utility bills, a benefit Salt Lake homeowners especially appreciate during cold winters and hot summers. Maintenance advice. To keep your windows and doors in excellent condition. Clean glass and frames regularly. Inspect seals and caulking for wear over time. Lubricate hinges and tracks for smooth operation. The Salt Lake Advantage. Living in Salt Lake City comes with unique considerations, from the stunning mountain views to the region's varied climate. Choosing windows and doors designed for energy efficiency will ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Additionally, many Salt Lake homeowners prioritize styles that blend with the area's architectural charm. In conclusion, window and door installation in Salt Lake City is a worthwhile project that enhances both the functionality and beauty of your home. By understanding what to expect, from preparation and removal to installation and post-project care, you can approach the process with confidence. Partnering with a professional and experienced installation team ensures you'll enjoy lasting results that improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and value.